Good afternoon. My name is Paulo Linares Otoya. This is the demonstration of my final project for distributed system course. As I have developed a smart camera network for detecting people using several nodes in a network. So first, I'm going to introduce what I have used to implement this network. The first important thing about this network is that each node has been virtualized or simulated by using VirtualBox 6.1. So now there are 3 virtual machines running. The first one is the virtual machine where the smart camera will be run later. The second one is the remote processor that I will explain later. So these 2 virtual machines are RPC servers, or also called remote processors. Okay, in order to show the results of this smart camera network, I have developed a graphical interface using TechInter library for Python 3. This is the graphical interface. The graphical interface can display up to 4 video streams from 4 smart cameras. However, given the hardware limitations, only one smart camera has been used so far. So first, I'm going to run only the smart camera without any remote processor. These 2 virtual machines are remote processors. So I'm going to run only the smart camera script. And we can see here the results. We can see here the results of the detection. As we can see, the frame rate, it is between 1 and 1.33. This is not very good for video stream processing. So if we add a remote processor by running a remote processor, instantly the smart camera detects the remote processor, and the frame rate reaches values between 1.8 to 2 frames per second. So the frame rate is increased by adding only 1 remote processor or 1 RPC server. So now I'm going to add 1 remote processor more by running another remote processor. Sorry, it's Python 3. So now there are 2 remote processors on the network, and the frame rate is higher than 2 frames per second. It's most of the time is higher than 2 frames per second. If we increase the number of remote processors, the frame rate is higher, but however, the network traffic also is higher. So it is a trade-off between processing performance and network traffic. So this is the results of my final project, and that is all.